Hello ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce myself. My name is Laskar Indifada from State University of Surabaya category Diploma Program. I would like to present motivational speech with the topic of equality gender. This issue starts a SDGs idea, particularly in 5th point. I would like to emphasize one crucial issue that is positioning the leadership of Indonesian women in Revolution 4.0. I want to raise three main points in this moment. 1. The meaning and example of equality gender in the context women leadership. 2. Role and function of women in leadership. 3. How to make gender equality achieved through women leadership. We will go into point 1. In the present, women are no longer underdeveloped with old restrictive stereotypes. For example, women who used to be synonymous with three things, namely the kitchen, the well, and the mattress, or famously in Javanese called as a dapur, sumur, kasur. From year to year, the gap between women and men is slowly being eroded. Women can participate in public sphere and contribute to society more significant than before. Women leadership in government has received a lot of positive response. At this time, individuals can have stated that women didn't have complete as a leader. Thanks to gender equality movement, gender equality is now integrated with leadership. Many women leaders are currently in the government institution, ranging from the executive, ministry, and legislative. We can mention as follows: Mrs. Kofifa Indar Parawansa as the governor of East Java. The Ministry of Finance, there is Mrs. Sri Mulyani. And Queen Legislative, there is Mrs. Puan Maharani, the chairwoman of the House of Representatives of the Republik Indonesia, or in bahasa DPR RI. Despite the leadership being filled with pros and cons, but they are the new roles model of gender equality, women leadership in the era Revolution 4.0. From this example, we can assume that women are no longer underestimated. Point 2. Role of function of women in leadership. The role and function of women in leadership could be different than men leadership by emotional approach. Through emotional approach, women can handle complaints from subordinates. Leader can also provide work motivation to subordinate, so that subordinate can accept well as well. As a female leader, there are several fundamental things that greatly affect her position as a public official, which can be judged in terms of social value, social status, communication, education, and work experience. To that end, it is necessary to increase work of female leaders so that they can be considered appropriate in occupying position in each field. Point 3. How to make gender equality achieved. I would like to highlight some arguments such as a leader must have a personal and intellectual abilities. By mastering these abilities can make the right things to do and accurate discussion. Then she had good public communication skill. In this way, it can be expressed by lobby or negotiate under few circumstances. Finally, the existence of track record, both internally and externally, that existence can create a sense of trust in the public such as community service. The final statement of my speech is female leader must maintain good values and play a crucial role to all public sphere. Right now, women face so much convenience in terms of accessibility of information technology, so that women can play a crucial role in society development. However, I would like to argue that women good personality should be maintained and female leader also maintain good relation with the subordinate so that a conducive work environment is always created. Let me deliver a closing statement. Never give up if you still want to try. Don't let regret come because you are one step away from winning. By R.A. Kartini. Thank you for attention. Don't forget like and comment. See you.